Hey guys, so today we are here at Freedom Road Harley Davidson in East Haven, Connecticut, where they're having the tour card raffle for 2023. So let's see who's gonna win that. There's lots going on. Pizza, drinks, they had a breakfast this morning, and everybody's just waiting patiently for the drawing to start. It's starting at 1 o'clock in like 3 minutes. So let's see who's gonna win this thing. Alright guys, so they're about to pull the name out. Let's see who's going to be the lucky winner.
Gracious hosts today. So Mario and Heather, Freedom Road, Harley Davidson.
We're doing this very exciting thing, then more pizza's coming. So if you didn't get enough or any, more's coming.
Well, thank you very much. So is it pizza or is it pie? We were actually just debating that in this area.
Pizza pie.
It's a pizza pie.
Cover both bases. And if you're super, New Haven pizza, it's a pizza.
All right, well, we've been
A
schooled.
pizza.
So we're live on Facebook now. It is 1 o'clock, so we're here to do the tour card drawing for the 2023 tour card program. First, I want to tell you some statistics, as I always do. So total number of participants that are in the bike raffle for this year is 161. There's a saying about the odds. So the way that breaks down, you have 22% from Connecticut, 45% from Massachusetts, 2% from Maine.
Go Bryce!
Which I think we have a couple of people here from, right? And we have 10% from New Hampshire, 11% New York, 7% Rhode Island, and Vermont, big zero, sorry. Female, that we could tell, and obviously not judging, 30% Male, 70%. The Laconia Rally attendees, which was the special raffle this year, 79.
Yeah, right.
So next on our list here, obviously a little bit of history. A lot of folks I talked to today have done this for many, many years. Let's get a show of hands. How many people have done this for 10 years or more? Okay, thank you guys. Very good. How many people are here today from Massachusetts?
All right.
How many from New York?
With a noisy one.
And how many from Vermont?
You're on their way.
I left my skis out in the park.
Did anybody ride today? Oh, all right. And then I have one more question for the crowd. How many former winners do we have here today?
Woo! Right?
Those are usually the believers that come back.
Yeah.
All right, so those of you that have participated obviously know it's a great way to get to know the dealer network, stay involved in the Harley family, know what's going on, and see some of our great country. So we do appreciate everybody taking advantage of the program. Go out and tell your friends so that it survives in the future and grows the numbers. I know it ruins your odds, but it does make it survive. So points to the folks that went and got the special stamp at Laconia. And I'm going to ask Mario or Heather to do the honors here. We verify they're all in there, right? Yeah. Not looking. Make sure we get one. Yeah, make sure.
You have one. The winner is, tough to pronounce last name, Arthur DeRozier.
DeRozier.
Drum roll. Anybody drummer? John Zanke.
John Zanke.
New Hampshire.
Wolfboro, New Hampshire.
Oh, you got to be here to win.
Congratulations, John.
John Zanke is the winner of the 2023 raffle.
So
Mario, show it to me.
we just don't want
Yeah. Somebody come in.
So thank you very much on the live. We're going to probably let you go now, and you have to come next year and miss all the excitement here. And thank you very much, guys. And we look forward to this year.
Hey guys, so I got my tour card for 2024. I'm going to take you guys along for the ride this year. Finally, we are back on the road after surgery, and let's just see how fast we can get this done. Looking to get it done maybe in a couple months. We'll see. Check it out.
Driving down here.
Hey guys, it's official. I got my first stamp. Now to get the rest of them.